How to fix Steam games not opening. Firstly, give your device a quick restart. Sometimes a quick restart can fix minor issues. This lagging problem most of the time gets fixed with a restart. After restarting your PC, also restart your Steam. That means fully close it from the system and reopen. If you have the app or game installed on your device, then run that as an administrator. Navigate to that app on your device and right click on the app. Now here you will see an option called Run as Administrator. Simply click on it. If you have the option, then update your Steam client. Also look for updates for your game and also update Windows and drivers. From Windows and drivers, especially GPU drivers such as NVIDIA or AMD. If you have many applications opened on the background, then turn that off. Sometimes apps like Discord, GeForce Experience, MSI Afterburner can cause lag. Also, it's not recommended, but disable antivirus or firewall temporarily to check if they are blocking the game. So that's all for today. Thank you.